Sandra Osorio from Compass. I just wanted to do a video to complement listing to leads. I've been using them for about a year now. A very easy system. I use it for just listed, just sold, and also for open houses. And I can tell you that with the open houses, we generate a tremendous amount of leads. Out of the listings, I will say we sold 6 of our properties this year, just with the open houses, and we were able to generate additional buyers, which generated more business to us. I would recommend it to anyone. They're very easy to work with, and the customer service is outstanding. My kudos to them and a 5-star.